Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then one-liners. What is the most common? So, what is the most common cancer in women in India? The most common cancer in women in India is carcinoma cervix. What is the most common cancer in women in the world? Most common cancer in women in the world is carcinoma breast. What is the most common cancer in urban women in India? Most common cancer in urban women in India is carcinoma breast. What is the most common cause of cancer related death in women in men and women? The most common cancer related death in men and women is cancer lung. What is the second most common cause of cancer related death in women? The second most common cause of cancer related death in women is cancer breast.
thank you and thank you for watching.